5 most important things to survive: air, water, food, shelter, and sleep. Air that we consume have only 60% of fresh air and the remaining 40% filled with air pollutants. Do you know, friends, our country is one of the most polluted countries in this world. It ranks 5th position in this list. It is sad to know that our pollution causing heart diseases, lung cancer, stroke. We have left with only one option, that is a lot of trees to be planted to make this environment healthier. I have also explained importance of trees in my last video. You can check this out on the I button given above. Our country has only 35 billion trees. It is results to 27 to 28 trees per person. Though other countries like Brazil has 1494 trees per person, Canada 8953 trees per person, China 102 trees per person, and US 716 trees per person. While in this list of most polluted countries, top 4 countries are Bangladesh, Pakistan, Mongolia, and Afghanistan. From analyzing all this, we can calculate that how much trees needed in our country compared to other countries. According to some research, a person consumes 740 kg of oxygen each year. It is just an average. No study can calculate it accurately. Comparing with how much a tree produces oxygen in a year, we can come to conclusion that we need at least 7 to 8 trees per person on an average, and it is only for oxygen we breathe. Even if this requirement is also not able to fulfilled in many cities in our India, even there is less than 1 tree per person in these cities. So understand the requirements of trees we need to survive a healthy life and healthy environment. This horrible situation has to be understood by our government and act accordingly by making our lives healthy and easier. Not only government, we can also plant trees around us in our free time. It should be a hobby for everyone like other hobbies. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.